In this video, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can earn a halal income from home with no experience in 2022. And I'm going to choose one random person who leaves a comment below to win £50 in my next video. Assalamu alaikum, welcome. My name is Munir and I am the founder of Halal Online Income, an online education platform teaching young Muslims how to earn a halal income online with no experience and no investment needed. I failed my A-levels, never went to university, and a few years ago, I was working for £2 an hour for 11 hours a day while fasting, selling bed sheets in the market. And now I earn multiple 6 figures through online businesses and I teach young Muslims how to do the same. So if you want to be financially free, if you want to earn money in 2022, then stay tuned because you're going to love this video. First off, all of the income ideas I'm going to teach you in this video come from this book, The Halal Guide to Financial Freedom. I took about 2 years to write this book. It teaches you more than 40 ways where you can make money, start your entrepreneurial journey, and all of the business ideas are explained step by step. So if you're interested in purchasing the book, then the link is going to be in the description below. So the first on this list is starting an e-commerce brand. Now, e-commerce is very, very lucrative. There is a lot of money to be made. However, I need to stress, it takes time to make money. It takes hard work and dedication. And you're going to need a bit of money to start. But if you're patient and you do it right, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money. Now, how much money do you need to start? I would recommend about £500 to £1,000 is what you start with. However, if you've only got £50 or £100, you can start the business with that. The main thing in business is to just take that step forward, just try. If you fail, at least you've learnt your lesson and you're not going to make the same mistake again. You're going to know what mistake not to make. Now you might be thinking, Adam, e-commerce is really, really saturated. How am I, as a new person, going to make money? And yes, a lot of people are doing e-commerce and it is saturated. However, as Muslims, we have a niche market and that is Muslims, right? Let me explain this. Now, when lockdown started, I realized all of the mosques, especially in my area, were saying, bring your own prayer mats. So I put a post up on my Instagram story and I told everyone following me, I said, listen, if you want to start an e-commerce brand, start an e-commerce brand around prayer mats and portable prayer mats, pocket-sized prayer mats, that kind of thing. And one guy actually did that and now he's making a lot of money. All he did is went on AliExpress, ordered a huge amount of portable prayer mats, pocket-sized foldable prayer mats, sold them during lockdown, and now he's making a lot of money. So the process of starting an e-commerce brand is very, very simple. Find a product that you believe you can sell, whether it's on AliExpress, Alibaba. It can be found anywhere as long as you can buy it in bulk for a cheap price. Create a brand around it, and that's the important part. You need to create a brand. And when the product arrives, take some videos of it, take some pictures of it, post them all on social media, and start selling. Now, we are going to talk about this later, but social media is very, very important when it comes to e-commerce brands. And I'll give you one tip. TikTok is massive right now, okay? Gary Vee was saying it a few years ago. I was saying it around the same time. As soon as TikTok came out, I said, listen, TikTok is going to be the place for business, okay? And yes, at the beginning, it was all music videos and dancing and all that crap. Now, every business is using TikTok. And if you're a business owner, or if you're starting a business, or if you just want to build a personal brand, if you're not using TikTok, you are not going to get anywhere in 2022. You need to be using TikTok. Even East London Mosque is using TikTok. Right, so the next way to make money is something I'm sure you've all heard about, and that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you act as a salesman for another company and you promote their product. So I would promote the iPhone, somebody would purchase the iPhone for £1,000 and Apple would give me 20%. So I would get £200 commission and I would act as a salesman. Affiliate marketing is a huge way to grow a business, but it's also a huge way for you and I to make money. And affiliate marketing is actually one of my biggest sources of income as well. Affiliate marketing is massive. Now, I will say first off that affiliate marketing is a lot easier if you've got a personal brand. Now, for those of you who've got this book, you would know the importance of a personal brand, okay? Because I've gone on and on about it in the book. But even if you don't have a personal brand, you can still make money very easily with affiliate marketing. And the best thing about affiliate marketing is you don't really need any money to start. It's completely free to make money from affiliate marketing. You don't have to buy a course about it. You don't need to spend any money, unlike reselling, trading, investing, or starting an e-commerce brand. With all of those, you need a bit of money to start. With affiliate marketing, you don't need any money to start. If you have a bit of money to spend towards marketing the products, you will earn your commissions that little bit faster, especially if you don't have a personal brand. If you've got a personal brand, you won't need to spend any money on marketing because because your personal brand will be essentially your customer base. So you don't really need to spend any money on marketing towards your own followers. Now, there's two types of affiliate marketers, right? The new people would usually try and promote everything they can find. So they would find a pen that costs £10 and they would say, oh, wow, look, I'll get 50% commission. I'm going to get £5. This is a good product to go for. What the experienced affiliate marketers do is they go for high ticket commission. They go for high ticket products. So for example, you could have a £1,000 product and get 20% commission, which is £200. Or you could have the £10 pen, which you get 50% commission. A new person would say, wow, 50% commission is huge. That's what I want to go for. Whereas an experienced affiliate marketer would choose the £1,000 product that only gives you 20% commission, but that 20% commission is £200. Some affiliate programs that you can sign up for are, for example, Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, Shopify, etc. However, the best affiliate marketing program that you can sign up to in 2022, which is going to be completely free, is Halal Online Income. Yes, I have just released the affiliate marketing program for Halal Online Income. So if you want to earn a halal income by promoting halal products, teaching people how to make a halal income, then click the link in the description below and sign up to the affiliate program. And we're going to pay 10 to 30% commission on all of our products. Stocks are basically when you purchase a share in a company, and if the company value goes up, your share value would go up and vice versa. Firstly, stocks are very, very risky. And secondly, some stocks are haram. So you need to make sure you're doing your research beforehand so that you're not investing in any haram stocks. Now, the bad thing about stocks is you can lose money and you may accidentally invest in a haram stock. However, the good thing about stocks is you don't actually lose the money if the share of the company goes down unless you sell the share. So let me give you an example. In May 2020, I invested £17 44 pence in Shopify because I invested about £1,000 in something else and I had about £17 left, so I just invested in Shopify. Then the share price dropped to about £10, right? So I made a loss of about £7. Now, if I would have sold the share for £10, I would have lost £7. However, I left it there, and a few months later when I went back and checked, that share price went up to £30. So my initial investment of £17 went down to £10. I left it and it went up to £30. So I ended up making a profit. So the moral of the story is if your shares go down and and it looks like you're losing money, don't sell the share because 99% of the time that share is going to go back up. Now, when it comes to the halal aspect, as far as I've done my research, if you are investing in stocks and you've done your research and you're investing for a long period of time, and if it's a halal stock, then it's halal to invest. However, I know that day trading is haram. If you're investing in stocks and selling after a day, or if you're getting involved in market manipulation, anything like that, then as far as I'm aware, that's haram. But at the end of the day, please do your own research and speak to your local scholars about this. If you want to start investing, the platform that I use is Trading 212. And if you are going to start investing in stocks, I recommend you to open an ISA account. I am going to make a video all about this soon, but I recommend you open an ISA account because what that means is any profit you make from your stocks up to a certain amount, which is I believe £20,000 or something like that, you wouldn't have to pay any tax on. If you do want to start investing in stocks, there is going to be a link down below in the description where you can sign up to Trading 212. And if you do sign up using the link, we both will get a free share worth up to £100 or £200 or something like that. So if you do want to do that, you can. Now we're moving on to social media marketing. And for those of you who know me, this is my passion, right? This is where I made my way from £2 an hour for 11 hours a day, working in baking heat in Ramadan in a market, to now having multiple six-figure businesses and being financially free. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is basically when you use social media to promote something, right? It could be a product or a service or whatever you want to promote. And how do you actually make money from social media marketing? There are hundreds of ways to make money from social media marketing, but my favorite one, and the one I teach and the one I made all of my money from, is starting a social media marketing agency. Now, I have got a completely free training on how you can earn an income from social media marketing on HalalOnlineIncome.com. It's a free 1-hour webinar. If you want to watch that video, the link to that is also going to be in the description below. And that's going to teach you how you can make money from social media marketing. This is the easiest business anyone can start from home. Okay, and it's where you can make the most money, I believe. This doesn't have to be a small side hustle, although it can be. I have got students who have got offices in Canary Wharf and Central London and Birmingham, Central, Manchester. I've got students in Pakistan who have got their own offices and their own employees. Me personally, I prefer to work from home and work from my laptop, so I like to go on holiday a lot. In August, I went to Turkey for 2.5 months. I stayed there for 2.5 months. I was just enjoying chilling on the beach because it was quite hot there still, because in August, it was hot in Turkey. And I worked from my laptop, and I have employees who are all around the world and they work from home as well. So if you want to work from home or if you want to work in an office, whatever your dream is, you can do that with social media marketing. The process of starting a social media agency is very, very simple, right? All you want to do is find a business that needs customers. You want to contact them and say that you can bring them customers. You're going to run ads for them on Facebook, social media, TikTok, Instagram, whatever it's going to be, Google ads, YouTube ads. The business gets customers. So you're going to get the business to customers. They're going to say, oh, wow, your services work. You've got me a lot of customers. Thank you. And they're going to pay you. You're going to ask them to pay you, and you're going to ask them to pay you and sign a contract every month where you get paid and they get their customers. Where you do the marketing for them and then they pay you. Again, if you want to learn all about social media marketing, then check out HalalOnlineIncome.com down in the description. Instagram theme pages. If you're looking for one of the easiest and the most enjoyable, in my opinion, ways that you can make money from home, from lying in your bed, then this is it. The business model is very simple. You find a theme that you know about, or that you believe you can post about, or that you believe you can make content about, and basically just make an Instagram theme page. Businesses will pay you once you get big enough to promote their products and services on your page, and you just keep building and you keep getting paid by promotions. That's the business model. It's very, very simple. And I know this works because for those of you who don't know, again, if you've got the Halal Guide to Financial Freedom, then you would know. I actually founded, and I am the owner of Haram Banter and all of the haram pages. And yes, it's funny, I also own Halal Online Income and I also own Haram Banter. So yeah, there is a bit of a juxtaposition there, but I failed my A-levels. So if juxtaposition is not the word that I was looking for, then I apologize. Anyway, all you need to do is create an Instagram page based around a theme and just post consistently. Now, some themes that you can make pages about are memes, food, anything related to cars. Cars is a good one. Hair and beauty, sports, quotes, movies, TV shows, anything related to TV shows. So for example, Peaky Blinders, I'm seeing a lot of Peaky Blinders related theme pages, celebrity fan pages, news pages, investment related, business related, and the rest is easy. The bigger your page gets, the more you can charge for promotions and the more people will ask you to promote their product, service, or personal brand. Find out what other pages that are the same size as you are charging and undercut them a little bit, but not too much. Now remember, the good thing about this is you don't actually have to lose any money. You're not putting any money in. All you're doing is putting your time in, posting on Instagram. So you're not actually spending a single penny. But the money you can make from this is massive. Let me give you an example. When I was consistently posting on the original Haram Banter, which had 380,000 followers, I was making more than $1,000 a month. I was making more than £1,000 a month, and I was only doing a few promos a week. So trust me, you can make good money from Instagram theme pages. And there you have it. 5 ways you can earn an income in 2022 without any experience needed, and all of the business models are halal. Again, make sure you check the links in the description. If you are interested in being financially free, then I do recommend you purchase this book. The link is going to be in the description below, and there is an offer on at the moment. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment below because I'm going to choose a random person to win £50 in my next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought. See you later.